What's going on, guys? It is Sunday, September 11th, 6:01 in the morning. I'm on my designated pull road early this Sunday morning when less people on the road, so I'm going to turn off the traction. I'm going to throw her in sport mode, and we're going to do some 0 to 60 and 0 to 100 tests, or near 100, because I don't want to go too fast. I previously said in another video I didn't want to, go too crazy with my pulls and stuff. So here we are, designated pull road. We're in sport mode. As you can see there, traction is off, and we're just going to floor it. So here we go. Low on gas. Let me turn off the AC. I almost forgot to do that. Turn off the AC, and here we go. Floor it. I heard a little chirp a second there. It's pretty cool. Okay, so 100 miles an hour. It's gonna be raining later today, so I wanted to come to a little bit before the rain. So we'll get turned around and we'll give it another go in a little bit. We're gonna go for run number 2, so throw her in sport mode. Traction is off, and it's gonna mash the pedal. And the first time I did it, I had a chirp a second, so try to listen for that chirp. This time I won't talk, so here we go. All right, here we go. 0 to 100, Honda Accord V6, 2014. See some beautiful lightning in the distance and background there. All right, so pretty solid run. So we'll do some more testing, and then we'll keep filming. Another direction, going the opposite direction, and we'll do another 0 to 100. So throw in sport mode and mash the gas. Here we go. Like we're getting a beautiful sunrise there in the foreground there. Try to film that later if I still will be out here. And we'll try some more. 3. Pretty solid. And I forgot to mention, this is a 2014 Honda Accord V6 with the K-Tuner Stage 1. There's no other supporting mods, no cold air intake, no downpipe, just the tune only, and 93 octane fuel. And the tune only supports 91 octane gas, so at some point in time I'll have to go for a 93 octane tune, which will help with the power, but those are basically the mods, so basically just the tune, and that is all. Alright, we'll give it some more goes a little bit later. Road, designated pull road. Here we go. Forward. There was a car coming, so I didn't want to go too crazy. Another go. No, there's no cars. Floor it. Nice run, a little bit of a jump there when the road kind of dipped and went up. Pretty solid. Floor it. Already selling. Alright, here we go. Tried to throw her in sport mode. Got to brake for this jump. Just after that run, so I didn't really get much of a cooldown period. But here we go again. Sport mode, floor it. One final run. This is the last one, so this is it for today's activities for point of view 2014 Honda Accord V6 K-Tuner Stage 1 pulls. So here we go. Wish me luck. Good launch. Oh, I had a little chirp there. Okay, so that wraps up today's test. So see, it's this is on my designated pull road. I do it where there's no cars coming. If there's a car coming, I'm slowing down or turning around, and that's how I have fun in a safe manner. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for all the support. Stay positive in life. Keep doing what you enjoy doing. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave me one. Until then, see you for the next video. This is my 2014 Honda Accord K-Tuner Stage 1 V6. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and catch you guys for the next video, and see you guys around. Peace out.